Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show legend on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three dot at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the last option, the show legend, and new, the lower left corner of the screen you can find the ship's type, cargo, tanker, passenger, and you can find the color of the ships. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.